He hates feet. Pepper. Poor little dude, he can't bite. He can't bite. He's got a bad bite. His underjaw sticks out above his upper jaw. He can't bite. No, he can't. He can't bite. Little freakazoid. There's your little freakazoid. Pepper, 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 pepper. I got to looking at my videos and I thought, wait a minute, there's something missing. How am I going to put my drawers back in? I threw this in the shower and forgot about it. So I'm going to clean it off and paint it. Yeah, okay, duh. And I need to still paint that back wall too, just as a preventative. If any kind of mold or anything appears, then I would be able to see it. But that's why I'm priming and painting, to prevent that. And yes, that plumbing needs to be redone. You know what I think I'll do? Go ahead and clean this up and paint it, but not put it in quite yet. Not sure, because that all needs to be replaced. Oh well, we'll just get the painting done. Today is December 5th, 2018. It is 78.8 degrees, and actually our humidity is lower, so it's actually rather chilly. And I only have 2 windows open in the Silver Streak. So, yeah, good weather for a change. Nice and sunny outside. So I'm going to get to work. I brought it outside, scrubbed it down, and I'll let the sun dry it out while I go in and paint more. On another note, a lot of people would have thrown this away, which was what my original intention was. But once I washed it down, it's salvageable. Hey, the bathroom is finished. Yay! Kind of. I still have to put the doors back on, but I have to clean up and paint the brackets first that hold on the door. So, but this is awesome. I'm happy. I got a little bit of overpaint on these edges, but that's okay. That can be cleaned up. So, I think it looks pretty good. I like the colors. Step back. There we go. And I did paint the inside of the cabinet, just one coat, that's all I'm doing. Under the sink. And I do have to replace that elbow before I set stuff back in there. But I took the shelf outside and painted that. So it looked pretty good. Let me put a door on. You see this? This is my van. My van is missing something. Can you figure it out? I figured it out the moment I got back to it. I locked my freaking keys in the van. I swear. Ironically, a friend's on his way over. His Toyota key fits my van. Life is crazy. I had to leave the keys in the last 2 places I went because I got an oil change. And I got it inspected. Now I can't get in. Yeah, I won't starve. I have groceries.